During the last 2 decades, we are noticing the loss of species around the world. Thousands of animals and plants are disappearing. The reason for this is pollution greatly. Next, deforestation, desertification, ozone layer depletion, global warming and climate change. Anyhow, we have to restore the loss. What we are expected to do? Learn, share and act according to that to save biodiversity. If you look into the world, there are so many species of animals are extincted. Already we have noticed some of the species are at the merge of extinction. We have to safeguard the endangered species, especially the frogs. Frogs are very useful to human being. They are the pollution indicator, ecosystem indicator, and very useful to human being because the slimy liquid which is seen beneath the skin are used as trace element to treat the child cancer, that is leukemia. The reason for the extinction of this frog are due to flood and droughts. Next, deforestation and pollution. How to safeguard this? Teach all the people of all sector to develop trees and not to pollute the water and not to tease this animal. Next area of concentration is human-animal coexistence. Nowadays, animals are seen on the roads because of the habitat loss. They are in search of the food. So we are expected how to behave if these two animals, especially elephant and monkeys, when they attack the human being, what are their do's and don'ts to safeguard our life? Be kind to these animals. Don't irritate them. Don't show the actions or don't show faces to this animal because our life is more important than this. Thirdly, against illegal trade, wildlife illegal trade. People around the world are poaching animals for food, medicine, curios and other things. We have to advise the little children and the general public not to buy that curios made from the parts of the body of the animal, especially the birds. Nowadays, the peacock feathers are used as fur and decorative article. Like that, the nails of tiger, lion, the tusk of elephant. So in all the area, we have to advise the children not to buy anything from the shop which are extracted from the body of the animal. For this purpose only, people are poaching the animals, killing them and getting money out of that. So let us take a step to stop buying these things. And lastly, to safeguard this biodiversity, we have to change. There must be a behavioral shift in our home, work spot and in general public. Try to develop garden at home, rooftop, balcony, kitchen garden, backyard garden. And don't waste food. Think of the food, what we are consuming, and think of the food, what the poor people are consuming. Think of the poor and save your food, and especially daily check the food waste from your plate as well as from your fridge. And lastly, save water, conserve water. So food and water, we are going to face larger amount of trouble in our life. So save water, save food, recycle water at home. And if you try to change your behavior, that is by adapting trayless food, what are the food we can consume without the trays? Think of the availability in your area and save water.